In the quiet end of the day, when you finally sit down and your legs feel heavy, it's easy to think, well, this is just age catching up with me. But very often, it isn't just age. It's your body quietly asking for a few simple things it's been missing for years. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker, tighter, or less steady than they used to, even though you're not doing anything wrong? Today, we're going to walk through 3 gentle, science-backed senior health tips that focus on vitamins your legs depend on. Not miracle cures, not hype, just the quiet, behind-the-scenes nutrients that help your muscles repair, your nerves communicate, and your balance feel more secure, especially while you sleep. Because the truth is this, your legs don't rebuild themselves in the middle of the day. They do their deepest repair work at night. And that's why what you give your body before bed can make such a powerful difference in how your legs feel tomorrow morning. We'll talk about 3 key vitamins, B12, D3, and K2, and how they support leg strength, steadier walking, and calmer nights. And as always, this is education, not personal medical advice, so it's important to talk with your doctor or pharmacist before making any changes to your routine. Let's start with the first quiet helper that so many older adults are low in without realizing it. You've probably heard of vitamin B12 before, but not always in connection with leg strength and balance. Think of B12 as part of the wiring system between your brain and your legs. Your muscles can be willing, and your brain can be sharp, and if the wiring between them is frayed, your movement still feels slow, unsteady, or weak. After about age 60, many people absorb less B12 from food. You might still be eating meat, fish, or eggs, but your stomach acid and digestive system don't pull the B12 out as well as they once did. So, your plate can look healthy, yet your nerves are still quietly underfed. It often shows up slowly, a little numbness or tingling in the feet, a sense that your calves feel tight for no clear reason, legs that feel stiff or clumsy when you first stand up, or a walking pattern that feels just a bit slower or less sure. Inside the body, B12 helps protect the myelin sheath, the gentle coating around your nerves that lets signals travel smoothly. When B12 runs low, that coating can thin, and messages from brain to leg don't travel as clearly. Your gait can become slower. Your footing can feel less certain. Nighttime leg twitching or cramps can creep in. This is one reason studies link low B12 with a higher risk of falls and walking difficulties in older adults. Your body does a lot of nerve repair while you sleep, and that's where bedtime comes in. During the night, your nervous system runs its repair program, checking pathways, refreshing signals, rebuilding tissue. If there isn't enough B12 available during that window, the repair work is slower and less complete. That's why many experts suggest B12 as part of an evening routine, often in forms that absorb well for seniors, like B12 that dissolves under the tongue. It doesn't act like a stimulant, instead it quietly supports nerve health while your brain and legs rest. Have you noticed any gentle warning signs? Tingling, numbness, or a feeling that your legs just don't respond as quickly as they used to? Those can be your body's way of saying, I need better wiring support, not that you're simply too old. Next, let's talk about a vitamin almost everyone associates with bones, but that also plays a huge role in leg strength and recovery. Vitamin D3. We often call it the sunshine vitamin, but after 60, your skin doesn't make as much of it from sunlight as it once did. You can be outside and still not reach the levels your muscles truly need. D3 does far more than protect bones. It's deeply involved in muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair and rebuild muscle fibers after you've used them during the day. You move through your day, your leg muscles work hard for you, and then at night they need to rebuild. That rebuilding slows with age, but low D3 slows it even more. That's when sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, shows up first in the legs. The thighs, glutes, and calves quietly lose mass and power. You may feel it when standing up from a chair takes more effort. Climbing stairs feels like a bigger task, and you avoid standing for long because your legs tire more quickly. Research has shown that, in older adults, improving low D3 levels can reduce falls and increase leg strength over just a few months. And timing again matters. Deep sleep is when your body releases growth and repair hormones. It's when your muscle cells are most ready to respond to D3's messages: repair this fiber, rebuild this strength, calm this inflammation. So when some seniors take D3 in the evening, especially with a small amount of healthy fat to help absorption, it's right there in the bloodstream when the night repair process begins. D3 also has a gentle anti-inflammatory effect in muscles. That deep, burning ache in the thighs or that warm soreness in the calves at night isn't always just age. Sometimes it's tiny, chronic inflammation that D3 can help calm. This is one of those senior health tips that sounds almost too simple. Support your D3, match it with your body's natural night repair rhythm, and see how your legs respond over several weeks. Our next key vitamin to pay attention to is K2, the quiet partner most people never hear about. When people hear vitamin K, they often think of K1 from leafy greens and blood clotting. K2 is different. It's more like a traffic director for calcium. Your body needs calcium, but it needs it in the right places. K2 helps keep calcium out of your arteries and soft tissues and guides it into your bones, where it belongs. When K2 is low, calcium can drift to the wrong areas, stiffening blood vessels, irritating joints, or making tissues around the legs feel tighter and more uncomfortable. For many older adults, that looks like weak bones and achy, tight legs at the same time. K2 also helps activate proteins involved in muscle repair and bone building. Some research has found that when older adults improve their K2 intake, leg strength, standing balance, and daily endurance often follow, not because of a quick boost, but because the body is finally getting the right building signals again. K2 and D3 work beautifully together. You can think of D3 as helping your body absorb and use calcium, and K2 as helping send that calcium to the right address. Without enough K2, taking D3 alone can sometimes leave calcium with nowhere clear to go. Many modern diets don't naturally provide much K2. It's found mostly in certain aged cheeses, some meats, and fermented foods that aren't always part of a typical daily plate. That's why many older adults don't realize how low they are until bones, joints, or legs start sending signals. Some of the most absorbable K2 supplements use a form called MK7, which stays in the body longer and can support overnight repair work when taken in the evening. In simple terms, while you sleep, K2 helps direct calcium to strengthen bone, support muscle attachment, and keep tissues more flexible instead of rigid. Have you noticed your knees feeling creaky when you first stand, or your calves feeling like rubber bands by midday? Sometimes that's not just wear and tear, it's your body asking for better direction. And K2 is one of the traffic lights. So how do you bring all three together in a way that feels calm and realistic, not overwhelming? The key is to think in terms of a simple evening rhythm, not a complicated supplement schedule. Many seniors find it helpful to build a quiet bedtime routine. You finish your last meal of the day a couple of hours before bed, not heavy, not loaded with sugar or white starches, but something light and gentle. Maybe a palm-sized portion of protein and a side of vegetables or greens. That gives your body space to digest, so it can focus on repair work later. Then, in the softer part of the evening, you create a small night tray or corner, a glass of water, your B12 in a form that suits you, often a dissolvable tablet for seniors, your D3 and K2 together, ideally in the forms your doctor recommends, maybe a warm herbal tea and a journal or book. You let the B12 dissolve. You take your D3 and K2 with a small healthy snack if needed, and you give your body about half an hour to settle before sleep. Nothing rushed, nothing stressful, just a gentle, repeatable signal to your nervous system, it's time to repair. Meanwhile, during the day, a few extra habits help these vitamins do their best work. Hydration is one of the top habits. When the body is low on fluids, blood becomes a bit thicker, and circulation slows. That makes it harder for B12, D3, and K2 to reach your leg muscles and nerves efficiently. So instead of waiting until you feel very thirsty, you sip steadily, a glass of water every hour or so while awake, easing off in the last hour before bed so your sleep isn't disturbed. Another habit is a few minutes of gentle leg movement in the evening. Keep in mind, this isn't a workout. It might be as simple as seated leg extensions at the edge of the bed, a few ankle circles, or slowly rising onto your toes and lowering your heels while holding the back of a chair. Just 3 to 5 minutes is often enough to wake up circulation in the legs, making it easier for those vitamins to deliver their benefits where you need them most. Your body reads this as, "These muscles are still in use. Let's give them what they need tonight." What small change in your evening routine do you think would make the biggest difference for your legs? More water, a lighter dinner, or a few minutes of movement? Over time, not overnight, but over days and weeks, these small steps stack up. B12 helps re-strengthen the wiring from brain to leg. D3 quietly supports muscle rebuilding and calms inflammation. K2 directs calcium to your bones and helps unlock deeper structural repair. You're not chasing instant miracles. You're creating the conditions for your body to do what it has always wanted to do: heal, adapt, and support you. That's what the best senior health tips are really about. Not scaring you into action, but reminding you that your body, even now, is still capable of change. So if your legs have felt weaker, if stairs feel steeper, if balance feels a little less certain than it used to, it doesn't mean you're done. It might mean your body has been working without its favorite tools for far too long. And the beautiful part is that so many of these tools are simple, affordable, and within reach, especially when used with the guidance of a healthcare professional who knows your history and medications. Have you ever noticed that when you support your body in one small way, better sleep, better nutrients, better hydration, other things begin to shift too? Your stride feels a little more confident. Your mornings feel a little less heavy. You trust your legs just a bit more each week. That's not false hope. That's your body responding to care. Every day is another chance to care for the body that's carried you this far. Keep learning, keep moving, keep believing in your own strength. Because aging isn't slowing down, it's leveling up. If today's message resonated, take a moment to subscribe, leave a thought in the comments, or share this video with someone who could use a little encouragement. Because together, we're proving that aging well isn't the exception, it's the standard.